Hello everyone, I'm back with another trading session. So this is the resistance area, this is the support area. You can see that the market is moving in a very weird way. I will take a sell right here. We have gap up in a favor of sellers, and you can see that red, green, red, green, red, green, red, green. So red, green pattern, gap up in the favor of sellers. It's in the resistance area. So it's three reasons to take this, and we are in the bigger base. Okay, so we don't have a trend right here to say we are going with the trend or against the trend. Okay, let me just add one more on this round number. Okay, so if we lose this, it's gonna be a very bad loss. Okay, here also we have a QM up here, but it's the price is too far from that QM, so we're just gonna stick to this area of the market. Basically this is closing exactly at the seller's entry. That's why I took this as a pretty short trade. Oh, it's playing a little bit, but I'm pretty sure about this trade. I will go the next one with 50 with the buyers, because this might be get respected because of the red green pattern. And then we have this outside bar retracement and then continuation. Okay, this is also ABC to the upside, and we have the very small trend line here. This is an engulf, so inside of this engulf we should have somewhere to get respected. I will draw a rectangle inside of this engulf, then I will go to the lower time frame to see if we have a okay, yes, it's reacting from exactly where it should be reacted from. Yeah, so we don't have any setup more than that in this engulf. This is a perfect trade. Okay, this is a price channel, the market's moving up. Okay, and again I will take another 50 based on this red green pattern. Let me just see. Oh, we have still space. Oh, it's kind of risky. I'm not gonna take this, to be honest. I'm feeling like it's gonna come down, then it's gonna go up like crazy. Or at least I want to take at the, you know, somewhere on this round number, so it's basically a good amount of marginal safety here. Sometimes I'm not sure about the trade, I lower the risk. Even after lowering the risk, even if I'm not sure again, I go with marginal safety. Okay, so we do everything to have the lowest possible risk here. Okay, so again for the next one, I'm gonna go with the buyers. It depends on the next candle's gap. Okay, if we have gap down, probably I'm gonna go with the buyers, but if we have gap up and this candle is green, I would go with the sellers. Oh, this is a red one. Let's see. Okay, we have gap down, and inside of this engulf there should be something. Okay, let me just see if we have anything here. There should be something inside of this engulf. Okay, yeah, I'll go with the buyers right at this area with 50 again. Oh, we have a strong breakout to the downside. It's still with the trend, right? So I'm not really complaining about anything because I'm doing the right thing. Okay, I'm going with the trend. But here you can see the red green pattern has been broken. The red green pattern has not been respected on this candle, and I think that because of the gap down, we have the gap down here as well, so that's why we are still in the trend, and this is uptrend, so we have nothing to complain about here, even if we lose this, especially if this is 50. Okay, it's my high risk trade. Okay, it was a winning trade. Okay, so here if it goes up, let me just see, if it goes up somewhere here, I will go with the sellers. Let's go a little more high. No, not here. A little more. Okay, oh my god, what happened? I think my chart moved and I thought it's touching the trend line. Okay, I'm supposed to enter somewhere here. Anyways, whenever you have a red green pattern like that and then you see some crazy movement in the chart, try to lower your risk. Okay, because it's more likely to that particular pattern is going to be broken. Okay, so let me just draw the line to see if we have the safe entry. Would we win this trade? Of course, look at that. Let me just see highest. Okay, yeah, this is the highest. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, it doesn't even touch that. Okay, so if we would consider this one, we probably would take this trade. I don't know, let's be honest, on this round number, but it is what it is. Okay, so let me give you an update about the limited time offer. The limited time offer is basically the spots are about to, I mean, they're already full, but we have some couple of reserved spots which they haven't updated me yet. So we have basically 2 or 3 spots available, and then the price is going to go back to the normal amount. Alright, we have a doji here has been broken. I go with the bars right here. Let's... Okay, calm down. Oh my god. Oh, some people ask how I draw like that. It's Epic Pen you can download. It's a free software. This thing right here. It's called Epic Pen. It's also in my Telegram channel. You can download it directly from the Telegram channel, okay? Alright, this doji trade was a losing trade. Even though we had this gap, red green pattern here as well, but it was a losing trade. We just go back to the I go with the bars right here. Look at this. This is a fresh demand area. Let me just draw this. This is a fresh demand area, but it's pretty riskier than... This is a late retest, okay? It's coming back to this demand area after a long time, so I'd say. But we have a huge gap down here, which I'm considering that they should go up because the gap down is in the favor of buyers. Yes. Okay, that was a winning trade. Let me just check this area for you. Probably gonna see some engulf or something. Okay, yeah, this is the 5-minute engulf, and we can see that demand inside of the engulf. All right, this is somewhere that a trend has been started, so there should be some smart money, you know, smart people buying this price, breaking everything. So this area is a strong area for us. That's the philosophy behind supply and demand. When we are trading supply or demand, we are trading the strong areas in the market. And this is a QM, you see that? This is a QM, but it's not being used yet. And it has consumed on this candle, and the trade we took was on this candle. So yeah, that's it about trading session. That's it about today's trading session, guys. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, drop a like for me. And yeah, thank you for watching, everybody. Peace out.